Welcome to the Edupi Navigator series. In today's video, we'll learn how to manage your staff database in the Edupi Portal. To begin, log into the portal and navigate to Modules, then Masters, and select Staff Master. To add a new staff member, click on the Add New button. Enter a unique staff ID. Fill in the staff details, including the staff name, contact mobile and other required information. If your institution requires any additional fields in the Staff Master, you can contact your service in charge. Mention the type of the staff and status as active and save the information. The staff member has now been successfully added to the database. Now let's see how to update a staff member's status. If a staff member is no longer working with your institution, there is no need to delete their record from the system. Simply locate the staff member in the list and click on the Edit icon. Open the Status field and select the appropriate status based on your requirement and click on Save. Thank you for watching the Edupi Navigator series. Stay tuned for more tutorials on making the most of your Edupi experience.